When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this After Effects tutorial we are familiar with one of the most widely used transitions in After Effects. This transition is done simply, but it creates a completely professional output. I hope it is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. In this transition, we need 5 frames at the end of the first video and 5 frames at the beginning of the second video to create the transition area, so when cutting the first video, we go forward 5 frames from the required place at the end of the first video and cut. And when cutting the second video we go back 5 frames from the place required at the beginning of the video, and cut. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.